And we're gonna go through all this today in detail, and you guys are actually gonna do it. We're gonna make calls today, and we're gonna get bids today. We're gonna do every single part together today. So it's gonna be a long day, so I hope you guys are ready for that. So step 1, opportunity. Step 2, get the quote. Step 3, submit the bid. My goal for everyone today is to submit a bid. Are you guys all cool with submitting a bid? Is everyone okay with picking up the phone and making a phone call? Now, we're gonna have some fun. We made a list of opportunities to bid on. The next thing that I do in my work process, before I go to step 2, is I call the contracting officer every single time. What is my script that I always say when I call a contracting officer? How would you like your proposal submitted? Write that down, y'all. You can make a better question. You can ask a different question if you just like, Wesley, I don't know. It's on sam.gov. They're gonna just tell me to read it. Yes, they may tell you just read it. Like, are you on sam.gov? Did you log in? Go look at it. Like, they may say that. But I'm telling y'all this, when you get a CO that answers the phone, that is a good thing. I want a CO to say, hey, did you read it? What's going on? I want that because there's so many COs you can't reach. So you got one that's responsive, it's gonna help you down the road because now you're gonna be like, okay, great. If I have a question, who should you guys call? The CO.
Hi, my name is Aaliyah. I'm calling from Track Services, and I'm calling in regards of the Repair Fleet Recreation Center. And I was just calling to see if, how would you like your proposal submitted?
Email is fine.
Email? I can email it to you?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
That was easy.
Clap it up. Well done. Well done. That was well done. That was real, serious, that was really good. Now listen, y'all, getting them to say, hey, just email it to me, that's good. That's the goal. The goal is not to get all the, let's do this, do that. That's not the goal. The goal was just to get them to say that. Here's my tip though. Can I give you some feedback? Slow down. Like, how you doing today? And then stop and like let him respond. Cause he was like, yo, I'm gonna do this. This is my name. But again, I'm not picking on you. I'm cheering on you. You did great. And he was like, oh, that was easy. He was waiting for you to hit him over the head with a question. He was like, oh, that was easy. Right, he was waiting for it. He's like, oh, okay, I'm ready for this question. That was easy. But you did a great job. You did amazing job. Amazing job. Hey, what's up? I hope you guys have been enjoying these behind the scene videos. I'm in my office right now, so I'm not in that actual location. But listen, do you want to be in a location? Do you want to come and pull up and actually do government contracting? Have your laptop out, have your phone out, us actually call the subs. We've had the most success from students being in the room. If that's something you want to do, listen, do me a favor. Go to middleman101.com. Maybe it pops up on the screen, maybe it's below. Go to middleman101.com. And what we'll do is we'll have a free masterclass. I typically try to do them on Fridays at 7 p.m. So if you're seeing this before Friday, good. If you're seeing this after Friday, it may be one next Friday. But go to middleman101.com. I'll let you know about my next masterclass. I'll let you know about my next in-person event. I hope you guys have been enjoying these behind the scenes videos. If you want more, comment below behind the scenes, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.